Hey there, classic Chevy enthusiasts. I'm Kevin Hillner, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating history of Dayton Engineering Laboratory Company, otherwise known as Delco batteries. And have you ever wondered how a battery from the 1950s could revolutionize the automotive industry? Well, stay tuned as we uncover the electrifying history of Delco batteries from 1955 to 1957. So let's kick things off with the game-changing Delco battery of 1955, designed for 12-volt electrical systems. It was a massive innovation at the time. The battery delivered a cranking amperage of around 210 to 220 amps, and that boosted engine starts and electrical performance significantly for 1955. Moving on to 1956, Delco continued to refine their battery technology. The dimensions remained consistent with the previous year, making them an easy fit for vehicle manufacturers. The cranking amperage was amped up to around 220 to 230 amps, a modest yet notable improvement, especially for vehicles with bigger engines and power-hungry accessories. So now we fast forward to 1957, the culmination of this 3-year journey. The 57 Delco battery maintained the 12-volt standard and shared dimensions similar to its predecessors. But it didn't stop there. They cranked the amperage up for the 1957 model to around 230 to 240 amps, a performance boost that made it even more versatile for a wide range of vehicles. These Delco batteries from 1955 to 1957 played a pivotal role in the automotive industry's transition to 12-volt electrical systems, and their enhanced cranking amps and reliable performance ensured that vehicles of that era could reliably start even in challenging conditions. And these batteries became standard equipment in many vehicles and cemented Delco's reputation as a trusted brand in the automotive battery industry. So the next time you spot a vintage car from the 50s, you'll appreciate just how important these Delco batteries were. Now, if you're on the hunt for a Delco-style battery for your Tri-5 Chevy, you might have noticed that they're not as common as they used to be. Your traditional suppliers like Danchuck, Classic Chevy, Mutt & Howell, they might not even have them in stock if they even carry them at all. However, I've got some alternatives for you. First up, there's BatteryCentral.com. They offer a Delco battery designed to fit 1955 models, which is slightly different in size compared to the 56 and 57s. As of October 2023, these batteries are priced at right around $369 plus shipping. But note, they aren't your typical lead-acid tar-top batteries. They're made to order with a waiting time sometimes of 5 to 10 months when available. If they're in stock, they'll usually ship them to you in 2 to 5 days, and you can find the link to BatteryCentral.com in the description below. Another option is Corvette Central, offering Delco-style batteries for $377 with flat rate shipping at $54. At the time of this video, they typically ship within 32 days, and you can find that link at Corvette Central down below as well. Lastly, if you want the authentic look for your battery without the maintenance, eBay or Tar Topper and Corvette Central have you covered. They sell the top pieces that can make your battery appear to look like an original, and they usually come with 3 sides and the top, priced from $21 to $38, and they're a perfect fit for a 55 or 56 model with the battery in the stock position, although they might not work as well for a 57 since you can sometimes see all 4 sides of the battery. And as we close the hood on this electrifying journey through automotive history, we want to hear from you. So what's your favorite Tri-5 Chevy, and how do you think these iconic Delco batteries would perform in today's vehicles? So share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay charged with more captivating automotive stories. And until next time, keep those engines running and our Tri-5s alive.